Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can, and Demi. So we're doing a short video today to talk about a step that is in several line dances, and I think it'd be really fun for you to know. And it's called a Monterey, and I don't know why, but it's a cute name. So it's called a Monterey, and it's in several line dances. So it's 4 counts, and it's, I'm going to do my right foot. I'm going to point to the side wall, and then I'm going to slide my foot in, and when I do, I'm going to turn, slide. So it kind of reminds me of a soldier. So I'm going to point to the side wall and then slide my right leg in and my turn on my left leg, a quarter. You can do, so let's try that a couple of times. Point, slide. Good. One more time. Point, slide, or from the usual front wall in line dancing. I'm going to point to the side, slide it in. Good. So the little tricky, instead of just pointing, it's the quarter turn part of it that's unique. So I'm going to point and slide, and that's 2 counts, then I'm going to finish it with just a straight point to the side, slide in. So it looks like this: right, slide, left just points, right, turns, left just points, right, turns, left just points, right, turns, left just points. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a Monterey. Isn't that fun? And sometimes they do a whole they turn more. You could actually turn 180 degree. So I could point, turn half, point, together. Point, turn half, all the way around, point, together. So that's a Monterey, and most commonly it's just the quarter turn part that's a little bit different. So enjoy it. Practice Montereys, they're fun. This is YouTube, you can stop it, rewind it, and enjoy Montereys on the dance floor. Yay! Bye.